What's up, everyone? Just checking back with you guys here a little bit. So I've been driving the 240 around for the last couple of days, going home and stuff like that, and so far so good. The motor seems to be running pretty good. I actually ended up going to a car meet last night and ended up doing some drifting with it, and it ran really well. I didn't have any problems. The only problem that I ended up finding out I have now is my clutch is also starting to slip, so I'm just having some bad luck, and I ordered the clutch. Hopefully this weekend, if I get it, I'm just gonna rip it all out, swap it, and should be good to go again. I'm not trying to be parked. I want to drive and hopefully get to do some drifting. I'm trying to make the next drift event if possible here locally, and we'll see. Hopefully it goes well and I can do it. So I'll just show you a little bit of the car. It's a little dirty from the drifting last night. I already blew a set of tires, brand new tires that I had on the work wheels, and gonna need another set now. Car's really dirty, but had some fun last night, and that's really all that counts. So check it out. I'm gonna post up some videos and see what you guys think.
That's how you do moleque manda muito.